Hello, students. Welcome back after a long time. I hope all of you are very good. So, I will be covering Java programming in this video series, and I just want all of you to be regular and perform the programming task that I give you. This series is really going to be useful for all of you. So, let's start with computer programming. Welcome to the world of programming. And these all buzzwords like coding and programming, you have heard it already, right? Let's start with the very basic. Okay, if we talk about calculator, how would have a human thought that we can have something like calculator? Why do humans asked for it? What was the earlier mode of calculation? Everyone would have calculated using stones, using abacus, using coins, using fingers, right, like we all do. But not everyone is perfect in maths. Lot of time we do mistakes also. But in life, and like this is a computer world, mechanized world, things are expected to be perfect, and we are not allowed to make mistakes often. Hence programming comes into place. Now, what is computer programming? It is a planned sequence of steps. These are some commands which we give to our machines so that they perform without any error. How will they perform without any error? If we give a proper planned sequence of steps. With due planning, we give them steps so that nothing goes wrong. And what are these planned sequence of steps called? These are called algorithm. And why we are doing all of this stuff? To solve any problem. Now calculator was invented to solve our problem of calculation, and calculator never gave wrong calculation. There are certain exceptions where we will get errors, but normally the human calculation it can do very easily. If you want to go any market, if you want to sell anything, normal calculation you can do very easily, just in seconds, right? All of us know that. Now see, there are human languages also. We must relate these languages with human languages. Like you, me, we speak English, Hindi, right? Some may know French, German, any other foreign language also, any other language also. Similarly, machines, they have a proper way of speaking, right? They will speak in a particular language. So let's come to types of programming language. The first one is interpreted language. What is interpreted language? Interpreted languages are those languages which are translated from machine code to our human understandable code. These are high level language codes like Java. There is a Java interpreter in between to convert human code to machine code and machine code to human code, right? Both the ways. So now this language we are using to communicate with the machine. Like for talking to humans, we have our local languages, regional languages. For talking with a machine, we have these language. Okay, and we have to be fluent in our communication also. So the next we come to scripted language. Interpreted and scripted are the main divisions of programming languages. Scripted language require a particular environment. Example is Python. For like if you want to code in Python, तो आपको एक पर्टिकुलर आपका इन्वायरमेंट होना चाहिए, उसी इन्वायरमेंट में आप उसको बोल पाओगे, कर पाओगे, राइट? Okay, apart from this, PHP is also there. Then third we have assembled language. Assembled language is written in assembly code through which we can communicate with machines directly. And last but not the least, we have a special type of code that is compiled languages. Sorry. So compiled languages we actually convert into a machine code using a compiler. Difference between interpreter and compiler is that interpreter will do one line by line, one line at a time, right? Compiler will do all at once. It will give you all the errors what are there. Sorry. So that's all for this video. We'll be continuing our series and there will be interesting topics which will be coming ahead, so stay tuned.